Alright, so this is the Apple CarPlay demo for the, what you call it? The Audi A8. As you can see, I got everything here. I'm recording with an iPad, so sometimes the focus sucks. So my iPhone is basically connected to the vehicle. So I'm gonna do some demonstration. Hey Siri, what's the weather like?
It's currently cloudy and 46 degrees in New York. Expect rain and cloudy skies starting tonight. Temperatures will be fairly consistent, averaging about 46 degrees.
Okay. Hey Siri, where's the closest gas station? Hey Siri, where's the closest McDonald's?
The nearest one I see is McDonald's on East 241st Street. Let me know if you want more information.
Hey Siri, navigate me to the airport.
One possibility is LaGuardia Airport.
Hey Siri, read my messages.
You have no new messages.
Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Send new message to Unasi.
What do you want to say?
Hey, what's up?
Your message to AC says, "Hey, what's up? Ready to send it?"
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Call 611.
Calling 611.
T-Mobile. We're connecting you to your team of experts. If you'd like to take care of your past...
Hey Siri. Open Spotify. Okay, so I pause the music because YouTube and they like to flag music, but this is basically the Spotify that will show all your playlists and everything you recently played and all that stuff for Spotify. So that's about it. Hey Siri, open Waze. Hey Siri, open Google Maps. So there you go. And this is an Audi A8, as you can see. For who doesn't know, a lot of people have the A8, so you know what the A8 is. This is a damn focus. This is a 2007 A8. 2007 A8 D3. That's my iPhone right there. It's on the dash. I'm not touching it. Everything is purely voice command. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit, hit the focus. Alright, what else? So this is everything here. This system is on the canvas system, so basically I'm not sure if I can get a good focus of this, but as you can see, if I hit the button on the steering wheel here, it's where's the screen? It switch back to the to the camera system. The reverse camera is on for whatever reason. I have no idea, but yeah. So it switches right there from the steering wheel. I don't think I could get everything in the screen at once. I could try, but it's not happening. And I push a button in the steering wheel right here, and it's back in the Apple CarPlay. This system does not require you to have the TV tuner in the trunk. Everything is under the glove box. Everything is mounted on the glove box here. There's no TV tuner in this vehicle. This is the American version. It's connected directly to the LVDS on the screen. The LVDS system. It has a CAN bus communication line, and what else? It's basically a simple hookup to the vehicle. It connects to the LVDS, the optical audio, and the CAN bus and power. That's it, and it's integrated into the vehicle. The microphone for the Siri is the microphone that's in the microphone that's in the roof compartment. That's where the microphone is located. If I go, hey Siri, and you see if I'm tapping on the roof, and you see the microphone.
Go ahead.
See, I'm tapping on the roof and the microphone is jumping because that's where the microphone is located. It's in the roof of this car. So there's basically nothing on your dashboard. There's nothing visible in the vehicle.
Commander, you've received a new message at your private terminal.
So my friend that I texted earlier, he just responded, and I'm gonna ask Siri to read the message. Hey Siri, read my messages.
AC sent you a new message. Nada, what's good, winter you? Would you like to reply?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
I don't know what Siri just did. But anyways, yeah, so the message came through. It's the same for phone calls. If I open my phone message,
Tell me if you'd like to make a call or check your voicemail.
Voicemail.
Sorry, I'm having trouble hearing you.
Hey Siri. I don't know. That's Apple iPhone for you guys, but basically yeah, so this is basically the demonstration again. I'm gonna open some of the music apps, but I'm gonna mute the screen. Mute the audio. So you're just gonna see the app open, but there's not gonna be any audio. So alright, so so I mute the audio, and I got like a few apps. I don't got no music on my phone, so there ain't really shit to see there. I got iHeart, I got Amazon, WhatsApp, Spotify. I'd opened that already. TuneIn Radio. It's basically like a radio app. I don't even think I used it before, but let me try to open it and see what happens. That's just telling me I got a text message. You see it comes up here. So this is TuneIn Radio. And then, you can play whatever you want to play. Again, I'm not going to play any music. So let's get back to the home screen. I got Pandora, Spotify, Waze, iHeart. And it's fully like voice command and everything. So I don't think I ever opened iHeart, so I might have to do one or two configurations on my iPhone so the app could continue. It's the same for this. I don't use the XM or whatever. On the audiobooks, it's showing that I got 2 text messages. I can read the text messages, but those are private, so I'm not going to read those right now. Phone calls, and now it's playing. Like I said, I don't think I have any music on my phone, so there ain't nothing to play, but you can listen to the Apple Radio. Or if you got Apple what's it called? Apple Music, You can listen to that if you want. Yeah, no music on my phone, so forget about it. But all in all, it's basically, as you can see, pretty cool system. It got the maps and navigation and everything. This is good for 8 customers because it's very difficult to get anything to work on the A8. The 8 is a very complicated car. There's not much for it, but this system is developed. It's basically going to be pretty much plug and play into the car to a point. It's going to have 2 options. It's going to be touchscreen or control. For the touchscreen, it's going to take a little elbow grease. I don't recommend it for a lot of people, but that's your choice. Other than that, it's going to have a separate controller for that unit. It's still going to be voice command whether you have a touchscreen or not, but there's not much you can do without actually physically interacting with the system. So is either use a touch panel or you can use a specific knob to control the Apple CarPlay. Right? It zooms, it moves, it's pretty much, fluent and everything. It's the best thing. And then again, this is my iPhone. The screen is completely blank. The USB is connected to the unit or whatever, and that's pretty much your phone is being charged while it's being used. Again, I could play some. Okay, so now I'm putting in mirroring mode. You'll see my phone says, damn, the focus. Trust or don't trust. So I'm gonna trust. Gotta put my password into my phone to let it go through. And then once I do that, it actually mirrors my phone. Alright, that's my phone right there in mirroring mode. I am going to maybe open a YouTube video. And I'm gonna play something random. Maybe no sound. And so this is in mirroring mode. And that's mirroring from my iPhone. Yeah, so it also does Android Auto. I really don't have an Android phone. I probably do have one somewhere in the archives, but I'm not really going to get that. But it does the same thing for the Android with the screen mirror in and also the Android Auto mode. So if you want to, I'm tired, so you gotta excuse me. If you want to upgrade your A8, get to me. Information will be down in the description, and I try my best to get you the parts so you can get up and running. If you're in my area, it's easier because I just do it for you. But I'm basically gonna have the system built in a plug and play way because, as I said, the Audi 8 is a complicated car, so I'm going to try to have everything plug and play, from the optical right down to the LVDS connection, right down to the power and everything. The only thing that's going to take some elbow grease, as I said, is if you want to use a touchscreen option. You don't have to. You can use a knob. I don't have the knob in this car because I have the touchscreen option. You could have either or both, but I'd have the knob in this car because then again, I have the touchscreen option, which is pretty cool. It takes some elbow grease to take all this apart to make to do the touchscreen modification. Or if you're not that tech savvy, you just want to plug the unit onto the dashboard and just use a knob. That's also a preference, or that's probably also an option, I should say, that you could use. And I mean, pretty much that's it. So until another time, guys. Auto Guidance and Diagnostics, New York City. Hey Siri, navigate me to BP gas station on 233rd.
One possibility I see is BP on Connor Street.
Oh.
Starting route to BP. Head south on Osman Place, then turn right onto East 241st Street. Turn right onto East 241st Street. In a quarter mile, turn left onto Carpenter Avenue. Feet. Turn left onto East 233rd Street. Turn left onto East 233rd Street, then arrive at your destination.